that if you do in life, it is easy for you to attract women when you have not opened your mouth to say anything. What are the things I'm talking about? But before we go into today's video, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and put me on notification post. I beg you, I need a like, so give me the like, the thumb up. I really need it. I'll be very glad and happy for seeing that. So let's go to what I'm talking about today. Today we're going to talk about things that if you do, or what are the things that if you do, you are going to attract women when you did not open your mouth to say anything, or when you have not said anything, but you're going to get women to fall in love. So let's go into it. Stick and stay with me to this video, and don't forget to subscribe. The first thing I'm going to talk about is to crack a joke. Learn how to crack a joke is very important. If you know how to crack a joke, it is easily and very good for you to have many people around you when it comes to the normal lifestyle. Always people like to hang around with you. Why? Because you are funny enough, and they like your expression, how you do your stuff, how you always present yourself, how you always have interaction with them, how you always talk with them. They always like it. It is very important to learn how to crack a joke when you want to have people attraction. The second thing I'm going to talk about is self-confidence. How self-confident you are. How self-confident you are. It is very important when it comes to the self-confidence aspect. It is very important because many people are not self-confident, and when it comes to what they are always doing in daily life, they find it difficult to do, because they always know that what you are doing, where if it is wrong, what are we going to do? Or if it is not what we are expecting to have, or the result that we are expecting to have, we cannot do it. We cannot get a correct answer from the people. So being self-confident is very important. The third thing I'm going to talk about is how you look. Nice looking guy. You know, if you want to be a guy whom you want many ladies or many women to like you, to fall in love for you, you need to be a nice looking person. What am I talking about? The nice looking aspect. The nice looking, what I'm trying to tell you here is that being a person who your facial expression, your dressing is on point always. I hope you understand, because if you want someone to fall in love for you, or to get someone's attention in your life, just do this kind of things, and you are going to be expert in whatever you want to do. So the fourth thing I'm going to talk about is always smile. Always smile. It's very important. How do you smile to people? How do you give the facial smile? You know, many people don't know how to smile when it comes to the normal life, living life with people, hanging around with people. How they need to smile. So if you want to be a guy whom people are going to like you, always they would like for you to be their partners. Being a guy who know how to smile, not just smile like this. You just open your mouth anywhere and laugh. No, I'm not talking about that. But be a guy who is very good in smile. It's very important. And this the fifth thing I'm going to talk about is eye contact. Eye contact. No, listen to me. The eye contact is one thing that you need to understand. That how can I be having eye contact with someone without smile? You know, I already mentioned smile, but how to have an eye contact with someone with attached to the smile is very important. You know, because the smile aspect is something that you need to understand. If you're a type of guy who know how to have eyeball to eyeball contact with someone, it is easily for someone to fall in love. You know, in even our daily lifestyle, if you want to have some kind of romantic things to do with someone, the first thing that where it started from is how you set your eyes on the person, how you rotate your eyes, how you move with your eyes with the person. It makes the person fall in love for you. So that are the things that you need to know. Thank you for sticking and stay with us. I think this is the 5 things that if you do, you are genuinely going to have many people around you, and they are going to like you without you saying anything. to them, but they're going to like you. So thank you, and stick and stay with me. The next video is going to come up very soon. Subscribe to the channel. Emotion enhancing your personal development. Press